Embark on a journey through the craziest tech products on Amazon. From universal dust cleaners to cool gadgets under $50, this collection unveils the unexpected. Explore the best tech gadgets challenging norms, including Flash, the ultimate power bank, and Roxs Robot, a virtual companion transforming desktops. Dive into the future with the smart Droid, a mobile surveillance camera bridging distances with vision and sound. Finally, meet Moo Folio, a game-changing keyboard seamlessly integrating trackpad functionalities, offering a new level of convenience. These aren't just products, they're glimpses into an innovative future. Welcome to Amazon's tech wonderland, where the unimaginable is just a click away. Number 8. Cozy Pod. The Cozy Pod is set to redefine your comfort experience with its innovative portable plug-in heater. Boasting an impressive 800-watt solution, this device not only provides efficient warmth, but does so with a touch of style. Imagine a sleek and compact electric heater that not only changes the game, but also makes a bold style statement. Armed with cutting-edge ceramic heat technology, the Cozy Pod ensures you stay toasty wherever life takes you. But that's not all. This is no ordinary heater. The Cozy Pod introduces a revolutionary wireless charging remote, putting you in control effortlessly. No more fumbling around for batteries. Cozy Pod has you covered. The Cozy Pod remote goes beyond being just a remote, it's your command center. Featuring a TFT display, it ensures seamless control with a range of features, including 3 power settings. It's like having a personal climate control wizard right at your fingertips. And the best part? Cozy Pod covers spaces up to 200 square feet with its powerful 800 watts, whether you're at home, in the office, or embarking on your next adventure. Cozy Pod is your ultimate cozy companion, ensuring warmth wherever you go. Number 7. DockCase, introducing the pocket-sized M2 MVM SSD enclosure, a device that takes your data protection and accessibility to a whole new level. But that's not all. This sleek device has been supercharged with 4 screw holes, making it the perfect companion for your iPhone 15 Pro/Pro Max camera and other equipment. It transforms your shooting experience both indoors and outdoors. Imagine being out capturing breathtaking moments, and the DockCase seamlessly integrates with your iPhone 15 Pro/Pro Max or camera, providing a secure connection and hassle-free installation. The adaptability of the DockCase knows no bounds, ensuring you're ready for any scene, whether you're in the studio or exploring the great outdoors. This innovative enclosure not only enhances your data storage capabilities, but also serves as a versatile accessory for your photography and videography needs. With its compact size and enhanced features, it's designed to be the perfect on-the-go solution for professionals and enthusiasts alike. Number 6. Moo Folio. Introducing Moo Folio, the game-changing full-size keyboard seamlessly integrating keyboard and trackpad functionalities for a revolutionary interaction with your devices. Unlike previous versions, Moo Folio dedicates the right side exclusively to trackpad functionality, eliminating the need to remove your left hand from the keyboard. A precision touch sensor cleverly placed under the right half of the keyboard allows effortless navigation while keeping your left hand comfortably on the keys. The advanced technology automatically distinguishes between keyboard and mouse modes, preventing unintentional mouse movement while typing. Experience a new level of convenience and efficiency, where innovation meets the tried and true design of a pantograph keyboard, ensuring comfort and enabling lightning-fast interaction. Moo Folio sets a new standard for seamless and frustration-free keyboard experiences. Number 5. Conserv Pro. Get ready to elevate your shooting experience with Conserv Pro, where simplicity meets power. Our shooting function is more than just user-friendly. It's designed for seamless operation with dedicated buttons for taking photos and recording videos. Say goodbye to complex switching procedures. We've eliminated the need to memorize intricate steps. Just click and capture effortlessly. What's more, these buttons are strategically located near your thumb, ensuring ergonomic comfort for extended shooting sessions. Now let's delve into its capabilities. Despite its telescopic nature, Conserv Pro packs a punch with its powerful shooting features. Whether you're into capturing mesmerizing slow-motion scenes or creating stunning time-lapse visuals, Connie has you covered. It's not just a telescope, it's your exclusive panoramic recording assistant, catering to all your daily photography needs. But that's not all. Connie goes above and beyond with its 1.04-inch OLED screen and a unique micro eyepiece. The circular display aligns perfectly with the visual perception of the eyes, making it ideal for your close-range observations. Conserv Pro combines convenience and advanced features, ensuring that your shooting experience is not only efficient but also enjoyable. Say hello to a new era of telescopic photography with the innovative design and functionality of Conserv Pro. Number 4. Roxs Robot. Roxs Robot is a virtual companion that transcends traditional responses. Imagine Roxs as a dynamic kaleidoscope painting your desktop with vibrant expressions and actions. Whether you're delighted, curious, or joyful, Roxs has a response for every moment, transforming your workspace into a lively canvas of life. But Roxs goes beyond sitting still. It walks and explores your desktop, injecting movement and curiosity into your environment. Picture having a virtual companion turning your desktop into an interactive playground. Roxs responds to your interactions, speaking or gesturing, creating charming and interactive behaviors. It's not just a robot, it's a dynamic presence adapting to your every move, adding a touch of magic to your digital realm. Roxs Robot is more than software, it's an immersive experience. Number 3. Flash Power Bank. Introducing Flash, the ultimate power bank that revolutionizes charging. Flash features a powerful USB-C power delivery 3.0 port, 2 USB-A ports, and a game-changing wireless charging pad. Its groundbreaking USB-C 100W power delivery 3.0 sets it apart as a true powerhouse, outperforming competitors. With an 18W USB, a quick charge 3.0 port, and a specially designed port compatible with various fast charge technologies, Flash ensures lightning fast and efficient charging for all your devices. What sets Flash apart is its mighty 10W wireless fast charge pad, supporting a 2.5W charge for your Apple Watch. Covering everything from smartphones to Apple AirPods, Flash breaks the mold by packing up to 100W USB-C power delivery in a single port, all within a compact, airline-friendly 20,000 mAh capacity. Lightweight and efficient, Flash isn't just a power bank. It's a charging revolution where speed, versatility, and efficiency converge to redefine your charging experience. Number 2. Smart Droid. Step into the future with the Smart Droid by Viet, a robotic HD camera redefining surveillance. This innovative device is the world's first truly mobile surveillance camera, designed to seamlessly move from room to room or be controlled remotely via smartphone or tablet. More than just a surveillance tool, the Smart Droid is a game-changer for families and individuals alike. Even when the camera is off, the droid's mere presence has a calming effect on animals, making them more relaxed with a familiar figure around, even if it's a robot. The vision for the Smart Droid is to create a sense of being in two places at once, bridging distances through vision, movement, and sound. In a world with 245 million surveillance cameras, the Smart Droid aims to redefine monitoring by adding a familiar touch to the connection with your space, offering a unique perspective through its mobility and interactive features. Number 1. MFilters. Outdoors, Wave 2 of MFilters introduces a revolutionary approach to address the historical confusion surrounding filter functionalities. This design breakthrough is a hallmark that distinguishes us in the market. The transformative application of color coding and ray knurling goes beyond mere aesthetics, providing a visually intuitive system that imparts clarity on the purpose of each filter. The entire system is meticulously coded in a vibrant blue, not merely for its visual appeal, but with practical intent. This choice is rooted in the craftsmanship to enhance the sky's vibrancy and adeptly eliminate reflections from water surfaces. The blue color serves a dual purpose, acting as both a stylish accent and a functional visual cue, facilitating easy recall of each filter's specific purpose. MFilters demonstrates a profound understanding of color spectrum limitations, pushing the boundaries to deliver a user-friendly experience. Conclusion: in the realm of innovation, the craziest tech products on Amazon stand as a testament to boundless creativity. From virtual companions like Roxs Robot to the game-changing Flash power bank and the futuristic Smart Droid surveillance camera, Amazon offers a diverse array of tech wonders. Moo Folio redefines convenience with its seamlessly integrated keyboard and trackpad functionalities, while the MFilters design breakthrough eliminates confusion with vibrant color coding. This curated selection unveils a world where the extraordinary becomes ordinary, pushing the boundaries of what's possible in technology. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon.